Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the easiest excuse, proximity. Put your alarm 6 to 10 feet away so you must stand to turn it off, and set a single backup 5 to 10 minutes after. Once done, decide one concrete action you'll do immediately: stand, drink water, or open curtains, because physical motion breaks grogginess. Make sure to prepare the night before: clothes, glass of water, and a visible cue so you start with momentum instead of negotiation. Next, create a short anchor routine that forces forward motion and rewards your brain. Immediately after turning off the alarm, expose yourself to bright light, drink a glass of water, and do a 1 to 3 minute stretch sequence. These 3 actions reduce sleep inertia and signal day mode. Once you complete them, follow with a small pleasant reward within 10 to 15 minutes. A favorite podcast, a meaningful breakfast, because anticipation makes repetition easier and strengthens the habit loop. To finish, commit to tracking and adjusting. Log your success for 7 to 14 days and tweak alarm timing by 10 to 15 minutes if you feel sleep deprived. If you still hit snooze, troubleshoot. Move the alarm farther, increase morning light, or swap the reward for something more motivating. Make sure to stabilize your bedtime so you regularly get 7 to 8 hours, because no strategy beats adequate sleep for preventing the snooze reflex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.